Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching Star Property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.0. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. and checkout time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this property, please below the link in description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or to subscribe to it, then subscribe to our channel right now. Just so that you don't miss any video about our Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property.